Hello there, Tanmay here. Today we are gonna talk about how one video can help your business to grow from nothing to everything. So I'm yelling at people that start making video content and start putting that content on your social media profiles, and 98% of the people are telling me, hey Tanmay, I know how to grow my business, how I've got the product and service and I know how to grow my business online. What they are gonna do, they're just gonna hire digital marketing agencies, and what these digital marketing agencies gonna do, they will charge 20,000, 30,000 rupees from you, and they even don't know how to give you results, and they'll charge that much of money, and you'll give your hard working money to them and you'll get nothing. And if you spend 50% of that 30,000, 20,000 money on yourself or on the system I'm going to give you, then you will grow 10 times better than any digital marketing agency can help you grow. Try to understand that power of videos and video marketing. Look, if you don't start today, then after 4 years, world will go ahead of you and you will be at the same place where you are, because nothing changes, then nothing changes. You have to start someday or another. Look behind 3 years, 4 years, what you were doing to grow your business and what strategies you were using to grow your business. Today you have opportunity that what you have to just do that use this power of internet wisely. Many people are saying that if I'm running XYZ business, I'm providing services and all, is this video thing and video marketing will help me to grow my business? Then if you know Rachna Ranade ma'am, then what she is doing, she's a CA by profession, and do you think she needs to make videos? If I had asked you this question to you 4 years back, 3 years back, then you would have said that of course not. But look how Rachna ma'am is earning and how many videos Rachna ma'ams are putting on these social media profiles and all social media platforms, because videos are working awesome for her. She's a CA by profession, and she's just putting her knowledge out. So if you start making videos about your product or services and start putting it on your social media platforms, and one day, let's say you have made 30 videos, 40 videos, and one day your one of videos goes viral and 50k, 60k, 80k people watched your video, and you're selling a product, let's say costs 5,000 rupees, then what do you think, how much business will you do? You will make lots of money. But it's not that easy that 50,000 and 60,000 lakhs of people see your videos. You have to take efforts for 3 months, 4 months, but it is possible. And once you start growing your channel, once you start seeing the growth, you will just quit everything and start making videos. Okay, so it's very important that you make a in-depth video, because if you just make a stupid video saying anything else and your product, you just make a time pass video on YouTube or Instagram, then your audience will not buy from you, because the connection should happen between you, your product, your business, you, and between your audience as well. So that's very important that you make a video which is in depth and giving 100% knowledge about your product, and there is a process and there is a system to do this. Okay, there's a framework to do this. Everybody understand the importance of fitness. Everybody wants to fit, and they know what you have to do for being fit. You have to wake up early in the morning, 5 a.m., 6 a.m., hit the gym and follow the diet, eat healthy food, and that's it. But nobody wants to do this. That's the problem of the audience. That's the real problem of people, that they don't want to do this. They want to be fit, but they don't want to exercise. They don't want to eat good food. This problem is, 98% of the people are doing this. They want a pill. They want a quick result, fast results. That's not going to happen. If you want faster is scam. Nothing is going to happen faster. So what is the success formula is that you have the good product on your side. What you have to do, you have to just put a good communication on your social platforms or offline or online platforms, good communication about your product, and communicate with your audience with video format. Of course, it's a good communication media, and then you will get lots of sale and your business will grow. That's a simple formula you have to apply. So if you want to learn more, and if you like this video, you know what I have to do. And if you want to learn more, then I'm conducting free webinar every Friday for 1 hour. Just attend it, link in the bio, and thank you for being here. Thank you.